Perek Lifnei Idehen, Daf Gimel, sponsored for a bracha of Hatzlacha for Esther Bas Ari Nesanel. The Gemara concluded, a Gentile is not a chote nisker, a profitable sinner. He does not receive reward for the commandments he fulfills, but is punished for their transgression. Question. Rabbi Meir derived from the verse, Asher yaseh ha'adam v'chai bohem, a Gentile who learns the 7 Noachide laws deserves as much honor as a Kohen Gadol who studies Torah. Apparently, they do receive reward for mitzvahs they perform. The answer, they are rewarded as Eino Mitzuva V'oseh, as one who volunteered but not as one commanded. Although they are required to fulfill the 7 Noachide laws, their collective abrogation undermined their being rewarded as if obligated. Question. The revised Gentiles' question to Hashem was, what evidence indicated the Jews fulfilled the Torah? Answer. Number 1, Hashem testified, but the Gentiles disqualified him as their father. Number 2, heavens and earth were disqualified to testify. A verse states, Im lo brisi chuka shamayim va'oretz lo samti. It teaches their existence depends on the learning of the Torah. B, a verse states, Vayhi'er vayivboker yom hashishi. It teaches the 6th day refers to the 6th day of Sivan. The lesson of this verse is similar. Their existence depends on the learning of the Torah. C, the verse states, Mishamayim ishmata din, eretz yara v'shakata. It teaches initially the heavens and earth were afraid, until the Jewish nation accepted the Torah, after which they were calmed. The Gentiles will testify that the Jews fulfilled the Torah. Number 1, Nimrod will testify Avram did not worship idols. Number 2, Lavan will testify Yaakov did not steal. Number 3, Potiphar's wife will testify Yosef did not commit adultery. Number 4, Nebuchadnezzar will testify Hananiah, Mishael, and Azariah did not prostrate themselves to the golden image created to dishonor Hashem. Number 5, King Darius will testify that Daniel defied his decree not to pray to Hashem. Number 6, 3 Gentile prophets, friends of Eov, Baladad Hashuchi V'Tzofer and Amosi V'Elifaz HaTemani, will testify the Jews fulfilled the Torah, as the verse states, Vayishmu Vayomru Emes. The Gentiles request a second chance. Although a Torah principle states, Mishatorach Be'erev Shabbos Yoichal B'Shabbos, there is only reward in the world to come for those that exerted themselves in this world. However, Ein HaKadosh Baruch Hu Ba Bitrunia Im Abrios. He does not deal harshly with his creations. He instructed them to fulfill an easy mitzvah, the mitzvah of sukkah that does not require much investment. The intense heat of the summer sun pierced their sukkahs. Their reaction was, Nenatka es mosrosema, mo, v'nashlicha mimenu avosemo. Let us free ourselves from the mitzvah imposed on us by Hashem and his Mashiach. Question. The Gemara previously stated, Hashem does not treat his creations harshly. Secondly, one is not required to remain in the sukkah suffering. The answer. Number 1, the mitzvah sukkah comes at the end of the summer, very often extremely hot and difficult to fulfill. In addition, the manner they exited was criticizing, kicking, so to speak, the mitzvah because it was not pleasant. Hashem will find this behavior amusing, Yoshev Hashamayim Yischak. Number 2, the Gentiles will act as converts, wearing tefillin and hanging mezuzahs on their doors, until Gog and Magog reveal their intention to wage war against Hashem and the Mashiach. Then they will remove their mitzvahs and disappear. Hashem will laugh at this behavior. Rabbi Yitzchak explains his laughter was only on this day. Question. Hashem's daily schedule included amusing the Leviathan during the 4th quarter of the day. Answer. He laughs with his creatures, but does not laugh at those who sinned, except on that day. However, after the destruction of the temple, Hashem stopped amusing himself with the Leviathan. Instead, he teaches school children during that time. Before the destruction, either Hashem occupied himself with both, or Matatron taught them. At night, he either follows the same schedule, or he rides on a cruise through 18,000 worlds, or listens to his praises by the Chayos. statements related to Torah. Number 1, Rabbi Levi teaches one who stops learning to engage in idle talk is fed long burning coals. Number 2, Reish Lakish teaches one who engages in Torah study by night instead of appearing exhausted by day will have an appealing appearance, or one who engages in Torah study in this world resembling night will be endowed with charm in the world to come. Number 3, Shmuel explains the verse, V'sase Adam kedage hayam, just as fish die on dry land, so too Jews who separate themselves from Torah and mitzvahs immediately die. If you're enjoying Daf 5, please click on the link below, subscribe, and become a sponsor. Thank you.